Hi there, I'm Cindy Metz with Riesdorf Metz & Partners at Russ Lyons Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to one of our newest listings, 12216 North 63rd Street in Scottsdale, Arizona. Come on in and check it out. So the first thing that you're going to notice is this has a modern design. It was totally redone by our owners, Mystery Homes. He does a fabulous job. You're going to see this gorgeous wood accent wall. There's actually 380 slats that are put in. He hand cut, sanded, and refinished those. I think it makes a great focal point for this great room. You're also going to notice he used a 30 by 60 porcelain plank on the floor. Just beautiful. We have a floor to ceiling fireplace. You've got room for a TV here. We just put art for right now. The architectural features just continue throughout. You're seeing beam ceilings with accent light, just beautiful in the evenings. We've got a glass door there that opens up to the backyard for easy indoor-outdoor entertaining. And the kitchen, oh my goodness, I mean, he really pulled out the stops here. You've got European cabinetry, quartz counters with a waterfall finish. He used the KitchenAid appliances, including the 6-burner gas cooktop. We really love this backsplash with the gold accent. You're going to see that's kind of carried through in some of the lighting. When you look over in this area with the dining room, we have a very nice wine storage area that is currently just for storage, but could be converted to climate controlled if the new owner would like that. One thing I want you to notice while you're looking at our video is all the attention to detail that was put into this home, including the beautiful light fixtures. They made such great choices on all the finishes. So we are going to head over to the office and the mother-in-law suite, but before we do, I want you to see down this hallway, we do have 2 secondary bedrooms and a hall bath. I'm not going to show that to you today, but when you come in person or if you want to schedule a virtual tour, happy to show you that area. So the office is right off the front entry. You're going to notice he did another wood accent wall. This is one of Mystery Homes' signature pieces when they do a home. He also did a porcelain plank herringbone floor and a nice glass door here. So when you are working from home, which a lot of people are doing, you have lots of privacy for making your phone calls. So now we're off to the mother-in-law suite. Before we get there, I just wanted you to see the gorgeous finishes in the powder room. Okay, so this space could be used for many different purposes. This could be a home office, could be a mother-in-law suite, could be just a 4th bedroom for a member of your family. This area here is set up to be like a kind of a living room area with a kitchenette, a microwave, excuse me, not a microwave, but a dishwasher or a wine refrigerator could go in this space. You could have a refrigerator here. So the master is very private, split from all the other bedrooms. It offers a sitting area with doors that open to the backyard. Before we get to the luxurious bath, I want you to see the walk-in closet because any woman is going to love this space. Plenty of cabinetry and space for your handbags, shoes, sweaters, hanging clothes. And there's 2 sides to it, so you could even share it with your husband. So we have a barn door here, and you're going to see there's a second barn door to the bathroom area. So if somebody has to get up early in the morning, you do have a little bit of privacy. So there's your barn door. And just wait, there's lots of fun things in this master bath. The first thing I want you to see is we have a tub that fills from the ceiling. Okay, your walls, floor to ceiling, porcelain, and then your flooring is done in marble here. He carried through the European cabinetry, dual vanities with the vessel sinks, used the marble accent here to pick up the flooring, and then wait, check out this large oversized rain shower. So as I've said, Mystery Homes, they just do a wonderful job with their projects. Anybody would be thrilled to death to own this home. Just love all the work that's been done here. And this home is truly unique. You're not going to see anything like this. So my name is Cindy Metz, once again, and I'm with Riesdorf Metz & Partners. My phone number is 602-803-2293. Please reach out to me if you have any questions about this property or if you'd like to schedule your own private showing. Thank you.